I highly recommend Desperate Actor for not only actors but entertainers of all spectrums. It is a very good, precise course that you can do on your own time.
I would recommend this program to anybody just because he knows how to do it and he has the experience. He's worked with so many people, and it's just the simple fact that he's made it in his own way. You know what I mean? And he's just going to keep getting on from there. So, Desperate Actor, Steve Dez, you're the shit, man.
Hi, my name is Malcolm Bowen, and I'm a professional actor living in Los Angeles, California. Recently, I went through the Steve Dez Desperate Actor program, and for someone who had a little bit more experience, I definitely learned a lot from his program. But there were also some things that I had already known that were basically like refreshers for me, which is great. What I liked about the program was that Steve provides lots of great examples for actors and for people who are new to acting. And it basically gives you like a blueprint basically a blueprint on how to actually set up your materials the correct way so that you will be seen as a professional as opposed to like an amateur or someone who doesn't know what they're doing. There's a lot of actors who do come to LA and they usually just jump into things that someone else tells them to do. And a lot of times it doesn't help them with their career. And I feel like Steve Dez's program will actually guide the actor on a course that will help them to actually see success and not get lost in the sea of other actors who just do whatever to get by. Like I said, I definitely recommend the program. And I totally learned a lot. Like I said, I learned a lot. And I'm going to definitely apply it. One of my favorite parts about the program was the demo reel section. Steve really provides examples on how to make your demo reel look better and how to show your range, which is a great thing for casting directors to see, and agents actually want to see it more. And then it really helps for casting directors so that when the agent can pitch you for casting projects, they have something to choose from. And I think that's great that he actually provided examples for you to see, for me to see. And yeah, definitely a great program, and I would recommend anyone, any actor, especially even seasoned or especially new actors who are thinking about moving to LA to take it. So yeah.
Hey, what's going on, Desperate Actors? It's your boy William. Just coming here just to talk to you guys a little bit. So I won't be long. I'll be real brief. But I just want to say I appreciate the opportunity that I just had to actually go through an experience with Desperate Actors. Unlocking Hollywood, the challenges I had, the thinking that I knew it all, but I really didn't. Even all the way down to the understanding of comparison of headshots. What are good headshots and what are bad headshots. Even this video might be bad, but hey, it's just a shout out to say thank you for the opportunity to go through the program. I've learned a lot, and I just want to say salute. My hat is off to you. Well, yeah, my hat's off to you, but get the program, check it out, go through it, experience the challenges that you may find, the things that you may thought that you knew, but you really didn't. But it's a good program. It's a wonderful experience. I suggest everyone to hop on and try it. Once again, William, Desperate Actor. See you guys at the top. Maybe on the back lots of the studios in Hollywood. Hey, but hope to see you on one of those big screens one day. Once again, signing off.
It just goes to show how much effort and how much time it took him to get to where he is today. And now he's trying to give back to you everything he's learned from the things from moving into Hollywood from another country and adjusting to life in Hollywood and LA area and to finding places that are good to stay. So he's basically giving you so much great value, and he's basically giving you all the information you need to survive and to thrive in Hollywood. So definitely I recommend the course that he's offering. And if you ever get to get to one of his coaching sessions or calls, I just want to say that he really gives his 100% into you as long as you give your 100% back. If you have any questions or if you're just curious about anything, he's more than willing to just open up and just be real with you. So
Dezperate Actor had so many tips and tricks that I didn't know about. Steve Des knows his stuff. If you're an aspiring actor, Dezperate Actor will help you crack the Hollywood code.
Hey there, this is a quick video on my experience on going through this journey on becoming a successful actor using Dezperate Actor guide that Steve Des has put together for aspiring actors and actresses that have nowhere to start, don't have any foundation or any knowledge of where to start. And to start off, this video cannot get any more basic and simple. He managed to put everything from learning how to take and what classes to take, when you should take them, who you need to talk to, what you should say, how to go around things, from getting your headshot to your resume to knowing when to submit for pilot season, when to submit for auditions, what happens when you go to an audition, every question you have about what I should do to become an actor, it is all just set out on the table for you to grab and use to your own advantage. I found this video and this journey more than useful. It's basically everything just put in videos. Everything I learned in college in a performing arts school is right here, right in front of me, just a click away. And everything that I have learned in the past was refreshed to me through these videos. And not only that, you always learn something new every time. Every time, right when you think you know everything, here comes Steve telling you, but you forgot this. And it's always something useful. It's always something that I'm going to use 5 years, 10 years from now. And even now to this point where I am an actress myself and I need help, I need guidance, and it was such an honor and being able to get into Steve's brain, because it's basically his brain. Everything he knows and he's learned himself is just put in this video for us to grasp and just soak in all this information. And I think that anyone who uses this video and goes through the journey with him and learning just different things about your industry and your craft and how to get there is just, it's beautiful having the opportunity to get more in depth with everything. And I honestly would not say anything bad about this software. Everything about it was perfect. And yes, so if you're ready to become an actor, I suggest you get on Dezperate Actor, because you'll definitely crack the Hollywood code.
Hi, I'm watching the Steve Dezperate Actor courses, online courses, and I'm very excited because every actor wants like the key of success in the acting professional career. And Steve Des make a great job describing detail by detail every step that you need to take to become a professional actor in Hollywood. I'm very excited, and I learned a lot in the courses that I saw, and I recommend that you and every people that want to be a professional actor need to see these videos, because this is what will going to help you and help your friends and help all people that you know that want to become an actor to become a real professional and to have the tools that they need to make the goal to become a professional actor. I full recommend these courses. You need to take it. You're going to enjoy it, and you will have fun with them.
Desperate Actor Cracking the Hollywood Code is such a fun and innovative program. And not only that, it's really user-friendly. And even though you don't have any experience in the acting career or acting anything, this will help you throughout anything nonetheless. I have no experience whatsoever, and it helped me so much to look things in certain ways and certain aspects that I've never thought of looking at them or even reaching out to them that way, because I never thought that it was going to be that easy to do. Another thing I really find interesting and very satisfying and essential to this is that Steve Des shows a lot of confidence and a lot of trust towards you in the videos, and I think that's very important, especially for me, because it shows me that I can trust him and that I will not get bored while I'm learning and educating myself, because this is very important for me, and I think to anyone else as well. Education is key, and education is power.
Hi, my name is David Hardy, and I just finished this great program, and I loved it so much. The things that I took from it were to not only write down your goals, but to have a clear vision of what you want to do. And now that I've taken this and have a better understanding of what I would like to do and what I want to do to change my own career, this is definitely a starting tool. And for those who just started their acting journey, this is a great way to start. He gives you the tools that you need. Also, just the code to break the Hollywood, I guess, stigma. But yeah, definitely, I just loved what I saw. He's a great person. You really feel that within the videos, and he makes sure that you take notes. And he's very, very thorough on what you need to do to get into the business and to be successful in the business. That's the main point that I got from this program. So I just loved it so much. I'm actually would love to do it again, but it's a great starting point, and I highly recommend that you do this.
My name is Kyle Croft. I'm 21 years old. I live in Los Angeles, California. Now, I have been so happy. I found a way to truly, honestly make a real income that has helped me. It's given me enough income to support myself, to support my family. And now, since, I have enough time on my hands, I can really go after my own dream.
Hi, my name is Kenneth Mosley, and I wanted to take a quick moment to say how much I enjoyed the program and all the modules from Steve Des's Dezperate Actors program. As you can see, I'm out here actually in St. Thomas, the Virgin Islands, and you might hear the roosters in the background. But I wanted to take a moment and just say how much I enjoyed Steve Des's program, because no matter who you are or where you are at the beginning of your career, there's something to be learned from the program. I like the fact that it is designed well. I like the detail that Steve goes into, using himself as an example often of how he started in this business and in this industry, and then giving great tips on how to market yourself, very practical things that you can do to put yourself at the front of mind of casting directors and present yourself in the best light as possible while you are doing the work that you need to do to pull up your bootstraps and to market yourself and to do the work to become a great actor. There are some tips and things that some people just won't tell you, but this program gives you the opportunity to learn a whole lot of secrets that will help you get going in your career. Thanks, Steve, for all of your knowledge and all of the teaching that you've put into being a desperate actor.
I hope that you enjoy the program as much as I have. If you're serious about being a working artist, working actor, and learning on the go, but having the convenience of having a personal coach online that you can log into and get a lesson or two right then and there, then I guarantee this is the program for you. Invest in yourself with this program. Honestly, I guarantee it's going to help you to get you to that next level.